In the quiet town of Willowvale, the nights were always lit up by one very special bug. Lenny the lightning bug. He wasn't the brightest or the fastest, but every child knew him because he made bedtime magical. Every night at exactly 8:01 p.m., Lenny would fly past windows and rooftops, leaving behind glittery trails of gold. He zipped past wind chimes, swooped between stars, and buzzed melodies kids swore they could hum. But one evening, Lenny's light flickered. He stopped midair. His glow, once golden and bold, faded into a pale blue flicker. The firefly elders told him, "Your final spark is near, Lenny. Every bug has one last flight, determined to make it the most memorable yet." Lenny whispered, "If I only get one more night, it'll be the brightest Willowvale's ever seen." That night, as the clock struck 8:01, the skies over Willowvale erupted into a dance of light. Lenny swirled between clouds, spun golden loops around the moon, and painted messages in the air. Dream big. You are loved. Shine on. Children gasped from their windows. Even grown-ups stood outside, mouths open, eyes wide, as his light dimmed to a tiny spark. Lenny made one final loop, forming a perfect heart in the sky, and vanished into a gentle burst of stars. The next morning, every child woke up with a tiny glowing jar by their bedside. Inside each jar was a sparkle of Lenny's final light, just enough to chase away nightmares, just enough to remind them even the smallest light can change the darkest night.